A GLE Benz came under heavy gunfire on Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew on Sunday morning. When the shooting subsided, an individual was pronounced dead. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was shot and killed by men traveling on a motorcycle on Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew Sunday morning. Witnesses say that the occupants of the Mercedes-Benz were attacked near Phillips Hardware. One of the victims was rushed to the St. Andrews Memorial Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police are currently processing the scene and motorists are being advised to use alternative routes as sections of Shortwood Road and Dunrobin Avenue are blocked. The deceased has so far been identified by his alias Stephen or Brandon, and a number of individuals have took to social media to express shock at the tragic passing of this individual. Dramatic videos of the bullet-riddled car have since surfaced on social media. Links 007 TV will track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.